Welcome to our channel. Small businesses need multiple types of insurance for comprehensive protection. Follow these step-by-step instructions to obtain essential coverage for your business. Step 1. Start with general liability insurance, which protects against claims for bodily injury, property damage, and advertising injury. Most businesses need at least $1 million in coverage. Step 2. Obtain workers' compensation insurance if you have employees, as it's required by law in most states. This covers medical costs and lost wages for work-related injuries. Step 3. Consider professional liability insurance, also called errors and omissions insurance, if you provide services or advice. This protects against claims of negligence or mistakes. Step 4. Evaluate commercial property insurance to protect your business location, equipment, inventory, and furnishings against fire, theft, vandalism, and other covered perils. Step 5. Assess whether you need commercial auto insurance for vehicles used for business purposes. Personal auto policies typically don't cover business use. Step 6. Consider a business owner's policy that bundles general liability and property insurance at a discount. BOPs are cost-effective for many small businesses. Step 7. Evaluate cyber liability insurance if you store customer data electronically. Data breaches can be extremely costly without proper insurance protection. Step 8. Work with an independent insurance agent who specializes in commercial insurance. They can assess your specific risks, compare quotes from multiple insurers, and recommend appropriate coverage levels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.